ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। তো পরপর কিছু ডব্লিউবিসিএসএস কোশ্চেন নিয়ে একটা সিরিজ কমপ্লিট করছি। তো যদি আপনাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন, লাইক করে দেবেন এবং শেয়ার করে দেবেন। তো চলুন শুরু করা যাক। প্রথম প্রশ্ন বলছে ফাইন্ড দ্য নিয়ারেস্ট মিনিং। পাইলেজ, পাইলেজ মানে র্যানশ্যাক। দুই থেকে সিনিস্টার, সিনিস্টার মানে কি? সিনিস্টার মানে ইভিল। নেক্সট ফাইন্ড দ্য অপোজিট মিনিং। আনকেম্পড, আনকেম্পড মানে টাইডি। আনকেম্পটের অপোজিট হচ্ছে টিডি। নেক্সট আনটাউড, আনটাউডের অপোজিট টাইমলি। নেক্সট ফাইন্ড দ্য ওয়ান ওয়ার্ড সাবস্টিটিউশন। অ্যান ইমাজিনারি আইডিয়া ইজ ইউটোপিয়া। অ্যান ইমাজিনারি আইডিয়া ইজ কল্ড ইউটোপিয়া। নেক্সট এ শর্ট জার্নি ফর প্লিজার ইজ জাউন্ট। এ শর্ট জার্নি ফর প্লিজার ইজ জাউন্ট। ফাইন্ড দ্য মিনিং অফ দ্য ইডিয়মস। কিপ লেভেল হার্ড, এটা মানে টু রিমেইন কাম। সো কিপ লেভেল হার্ড এর মানে হচ্ছে টু রিমেইন কাম। নেক্সট ইন দ্য থিওরিজ অফ, এটার মানে ইন গ্রিপ অফ। ইন দ্য থিওরিজ অফ মানে ইন দ্য গ্রিপ অফ। নেক্সট পাস অফ, পাস অফ রেফার্স টু প্রিটেন্ড টু বি। নেক্সট ফাইন্ড দ্য মিনিং অফ দ্য আন্ডারলাইন ওয়ার্ড। বলছে আই অ্যাম টোটালি ডান আপ। ডান আপ, ফাইন্ড দ্য মিনিং অফ দ্য আন্ডারলাইন ওয়ার্ড। ডান আপ মানে এক্সস্টেড, সো আই এম টোটালি এক্সস্টেড, এটার মানে দাঁড়াচ্ছে। নেক্সট fill in the blanks with suitable word. বলছে he is as dash as a pig, so he is as fat as a pig. Next 12 দাগের you are as slow as a slave. Next find the adjective form of the noun goose. Goose এর adjective form answerine. Next ghost, ghost এর adjective form spectral. Okay, now fill in the blanks with the appropriate preposition. The whole theory rests on no firm foundation and then conjunction. So এটা হবে on. Next, his statement was tantamount dash a confession. His statement was tantamount to a confession. 17 দাগের his friend prevailed dash him to withdraw his registration. His friend prevailed upon him withdraw his registration. Next, do not confide your secret to everyone. So do not confide your secret to everyone. Next, find the suitable word for the blank. Next, in a nice little dash the writer was visited by her frictional character. So in a nice little conceit the writer was visited by a final character. So এখানে conceit হবে। Next question 20 দাগে the music critic was dash in his praise of the orchestra. So the music critic effusive in the praise of the orchestra. Next, she tried to dash into a aboriginal mind. She tried to delve into a aboriginal's mind. Next, the coach's dash voice generated brawling brand to play. So the coach's strained voice generated brawling brand of play. Next, 23 দাগের bonhomie. Bonhomie refers to a good nature. 24. An repart refers to an agreement, in agreement. So an repart refers to an in agreement. 25 দাগের young of the donkey is called fall. So young of the donkey is called fall. নেক্সট জিএস পোর্শনে চলে এলাম। বলছে টু ইকুইপ তেজাস লাইট কম্ব্যাট এয়ারক্রাফট হেইল হ্যাজ ডিসাইডেড টু গেট রেডার ফ্রম হুইচ কান্ট্রি? এটা হবে ফ্রান্স। নেক্সট উইলিয়াম লোম্বার্ড ইজ রিলেটেড টু হুইচ ইনডোর গেম? এটা হবে চেস। সো উইলিয়াম লোম্বার্ড ইজ রিলেটেড টু চেস। নেক্সট নেম দ্য US author who won 2017 Man Booker Prize is George Sandras. Next, who has honored the Hridayenath Mangeshkar Award 2017? এটা হবে জাভেদ আখতার। Next, name the cricketer on whom BCCI imposed live ban which was restored by Kerala High Court. এটা হবে S. Srishant. Name the online campaign launched by the Union Ministry of Women and Child Development. এটা হচ্ছে I am that woman. Okay. Next, who was the first person from Indian origin to hold the post of Deputy Speaker of the House of Lords? House of Lords. এটা হবে সুরাজ পল। Next, name the Indian origin teenager who has become one of the United Kingdom's youngest millionaire after his online real estate agency business reached the value of 12 million pounds is Akshay Rupelia. Okay. Next, which country scientist adopted the military watch? Which country scientist adopted the military watch that can resist high impact and even survive the conquest of nuclear blast is Russia. Okay, the military watch. Next, on which date the International Day of Eradication of Poverty observed all over the world? এটা হবে October 17. So next, where was the third edition of the India International Science Festival 2017? Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Earth Science and Vijayana Bharati held. এটা হবে চেন্নাই। Okay, next, which Bollywood actor waxed statue is to be displayed in Madama Tussauds Wax Museum in Hong Kong? Is Varun Dhawan. Okay, next, the Indian Navy Long Range Maritime Recognition Aircraft P-81 has dispatched to which country to undertake a search and research operation to find the missing soldier? Is Philippines. Next, who is the first Indian woman wrestler to sign with the WWE? Is Kavita Devi. So Kavita Devi is the first woman wrestler who signed with WWE. Next, which state assembly has become the first in India to call attention and adjournment motion and proposal online from legislature? Is Rajasthan. So which state assembly become the first in India to call an attention and adjourn motion and propose online from legislation? Is Rajasthan. Next, which country gifted Pakistan first metro train? First metro train gift করেছে চায়না gift করেছে। Next, which is the first country in the world accepting Bitcoin in the exchange of citizenship? Is Vietnam. Venezuela. Next, who became the first Bangladeshi to be identified in the MCC World Cricket Committee? Is Shakib Al Hasan. Next, which Indian sportswoman has won triple gold at Egypt Junior and Cadre Open Table Tennis Championship in 2017? Is Selena Salve Kumar. Next question. সত্তরের দাগে বলছে হু ইজ দ্য অথর অফ দ্য বুক টায়ারলেস জার্নি রিলেন্টলেস ভয়েস? is Venkaiah Naidu. So Venkaiah Naidu লিখেছেন tireless journey and relentless voice. Next, where is the floating national park of the world situated? Floating national park of the world situated in Manipur. Acha. Next, who painted the painting? Who painted the painting Nude Green Leaves and Bust is Pablo Picasso. Next, what is the theme of the 2017 World Food Day? World Food Day is change the future of migration, invest food security and rural development. Next, Jackson Singh is associated to Jackson Singh is associated to which sports? Football. Next, which is the official mascot of 2017 AIBA Youth Women World Boxing Championship is Guppy. Next, 76 এর দাগের বলছে the most important Harappan crop was wheat and barley. Most important Harappan crop is wheat and barley. Next, at which Harappan site have the horse bone trace of horse bone trace of horse been found is Lothal. Sorry, not Lothal, it's Surkodda. সুরকোড্ডায় হর্সের ট্রেস পাওয়া গেছিল. Number of Upanishad is the total number of Upanishad is 108, not 118, is 108. Next, the Jain text was compiled as a result of the council that was held in Patliputra is 12 Anga. The first Jain Sangeet was held in 300 BC. Next, 81. Which of the following Buddhist university was the last one to be found in India? এটা হবে Bikramshila University was the last university that was found in India. That's a Buddhist university also. Next, 81. Which of one of the following event of Buddha's life did not take place on a full moon day? এটা হবে রিনাউন্সিয়েশন ফুল মুন ডেতে হয়নি, বাকি বার্থ, এনলাইটমেন্ট, ডেথ সবগুলোই ফুল মুন ডেতে হয়েছিল. নেক্সট, হুইচ ওয়ান অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং সুলতান extended agricultural loan? Which one of the following sultan extended the agricultural loans called Sondras to he poor peasants for promoting cultivation? Was Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next, the export of slave from India was banned by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Export of slave banned by Firoz Tughlaq. Okay. Next, which one of the following dynastics never patronized Jainism? Chol dynasty never patronized Jainism. Name the class which is conspicuous by its absence from the list of 7 classes given by Megasthenes. এটা হচ্ছে trader. Name the Saga who is believed to be Aryanized South India is Augustho. Next, Shruti literature does not include in Vedango. Shruti literature does not include in Vedango. Next, who among the following guru introduced the Gurumukhi script for the spoken language of the Punjabi? Was Guru Angad. Guru Angad introduced the Gurumukhi script. Which ruler submit to Alauddin Khilji and was conferred the title Raya Rayan? So which ruler submit to the Alauddin Khilji was conferred the title Raya Rayan? Was Ramachandra Deva. Next, the medieval ruler who known to establish a Ministry of Agriculture was Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So Muhammad bin Tughlaq was the medieval ruler who known to establish Ministry of Agriculture. Is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Okay. Which Sufi saint was put to the death of Jalauddin Khilji to attempt rebellion. So which Sufi saint was put to death by Jalauddin Khilji for attempting rebellion is Siddhi Maula. Next question. During whose reign was the Indian classical work Rag Dorpon translated into Parsi by Firoz Shah Tughlaq? Rag Dorpon was translated into Parsi during the time of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Next, Firoz Shah Tughlaq entered to Jalamukhi temple during in the invasion of Nagarkot. নাগারকোট ইনভেশনের সময় জালারকোট টেম্পলে প্রবেশ করেছিল। Next, the coin like Adha and Bhik was introduced by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. So the coin Adha and Bhik were introduced by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Next, who was the builder of Maut Ki Masjid? It was Sikandar Lodi built Maut Ki Masjid. Next, who among the following ruler organized a very efficient system of explosion is Balban. So, who among the following ruler organized a very efficient system of espionage is Balban? At the time of accession of Iltutmish, Dash had declared himself the king of Bengal and Bihar. Is Ali Marda Khan. Ali Mardan Khan made himself the king of Bengal and Bihar at the time of accession of Iltutmish. Next, first expedition of Muhammad Ghori was 1157 AD. Muhammad Ghori's first expedition 1157 AD. Next, who is known as the Rai Pithur is Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan is known as Rai Pithur. Next, under whose presidency was the Lahore session of the Indian National Congress held in the year 1929, wherein the resolution was adopted to gain the complete independence from British? এটা জেএল নেহরু বলেছিল। Next, with which of the following did civil disobedience movement of India commence? The Dandi March. Dandi মার্চের মাধ্যমে civil disobedience movement চালু হয়। Next, which of the following was not the demand of the Khilafat non-cooperation movement to complete independence from British? Which of the following was not the demand of the Khilafat non-cooperation movement? Non complete independence from British এইটা ছিল না। সো যেগুলো ছিল সেটা হচ্ছে ফেভারেবল ট্রিটি অফ টার্কি, রিড্রেসাল অফ পাঞ্জাব রং অ্যান্ড এস্টাবলিশ অফ স্বরাজ। চারটা আগেরটা ছিল না। নেক্সট, in October 1920, who of the following headed a group in the Indians gathered at Tashkent is known as Manavendra Nath Roy? 1920 তাশকান্দে কমিউনিস্ট পার্টি এস্টাবলিশড হয়েছিল। নেক্সট, the book Unto the Last was influenced Gandhi was authored by John Ruskin. Okay. Next, with which one of the following Urdu poet was invited to the second and third round table of conference? Muhammad Iqbal. Muhammad Iqbal, the Urdu poet, invited in the second and third table of conference. Next, what was the reason of Mahatma Gandhi to organize Satyagraha on the behalf of peasants of Kheda? The administration did not support the land revenue collection of the in spite of drought. The administration proposed to introduce the permanent so on only. Next, the doctrines of non-violence and civil disobedience associated with Mahatma Gandhi were influenced by the work of Ruskin, Tolstoy, Thieu. Next, which statement given below about the Champaran Satyagraha is or correct? It is Champaran Satyagraha is related to indigo plantation. True. It started because European planted operation the peasants. True. So both are correct. Option C will be the right answer. Next, who played an important role in signing Gandhi Irwani Pact? Tej Bahadur Sapru played an important role in signing Gandhi Irwani Pact. The large crowd gathered in Jallianwala Bagh. The large crowd gathered in Jallianwala Bagh at Amritsar on April 13, 1919 to protest against the arrest of Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal. Next question. Why did Mahatma Gandhi supported the Khilafat movement? Why did Mahatma Gandhi supported Khilafat movement? Gandhiji wanted to win the support of the Indian Muslim against the British. That is why India support the Khilafat movement. Okay. When was the non-cooperation movement suspended? 1920. Non-cooperation movement suspended in the year 1920. Next, Gandhiji part took up Dandi March, a civil disobedience movement, on 12th of March 1930. Next, name the famous person of India who returned the knighthood conferred on him by the British government as it taken to protest against the Articlate of Punjab in 1919 was Rabindranath Tagore. জালিয়ানওয়ালাবাগ ম্যাসাকারের প্রোটেস্টে তিনি নাইটহুড ত্যাগ করেছিলেন। নেক্সট, হু অ্যামং দ্য ফলোয়িং ড্রাফটেড দ্য পূর্ণ স্বরাজ প্লিজ? এটা মহাত্মা গান্ধী। নেক্সট, হু ওয়াজ নোন অ্যাজ দ্য ফ্রন্টায়ার গান্ধী? এটা খান আব্দুল গফর খান। নেক্সট, Mahatma Gandhi close English compatriot during the freedom movement was Charles Frere Andrews. So Mahatma Gandhi's close English compatriot during the freedom movement was Charles Frere Andrews. Next, which of the following commissioners committee was appointed by the British government to investigate into the massacre of Jallianwala Bagh? It is Hunter Commission. So option B here is the right answer. Next, Sarvodaya stands for upliftment of all. Sarvodaya stands for the upliftment of all. Next, who among the following was regarded by Mahatma Gandhi as a political guru? Gopal Krishna Gokhale regarded Mahatma Gandhi as his political guru. Next, who among the following has authored the book Hind Swaraj? হিন্দ স্বরাজ লিখেছে বাল গঙ্গাধর তিলক।